Google Cloud Digital Leader Certification question. A rapidly growing startup was facing a unique challenge. They had developed an innovative internet-facing application that was quickly gaining traction. However, their CTO was concerned about maintaining the security and privacy of their back-end infrastructure, particularly their VM IPs. Which products can be used to serve the internet-facing application, but still keep the VM IPs private? A. Cloud VPN ensures a secure connection between VPC networks by utilizing encryption. B. Cloud NAT enables network address translation for resources in a VPC. C. Firewall settings in place prohibit access to public IPs. D. Cloud Router manages the network traffic within a VPC network. Correct answer. B. Cloud NAT enables network address translation for resources in a VPC. Explanation. Cloud NAT is a managed service by Google Cloud that allows you to provision your application instances without public IP addresses. This service also allows these instances to access the internet. Cloud VPN is utilized to secure traffic between two well-known networks, rather than providing public internet access for general end users. Creating public IP addresses and then denying public traffic through firewall rules is not a recommended approach. Cloud Router, using Border Gateway Protocol, facilitates the dynamic exchange of routes between your VPC and on-premises networks. Keywords. Internet-facing application. Suggests a public application accessible over the internet. Security and privacy. Emphasizes the need for secure and private solutions. Back-end infrastructure. Refers to the underlying systems and technologies supporting the application. Keep VM IPs private. Requirement to conceal or protect the internal IP addresses of the virtual machines. Subscribe and follow us.